Then I'm going to pick one pastry, put it on my countertop, and then I'm going to fold it just like this. Spread paste on the pastry, which is going to seal. Then I'm going to fold it once more, just like that. And you have a triangle on top. And carefully, I'm going to repeat once more by folding it in half. Spread some flour, spread some paste, fold it once more to make a triangle on top. Spread a little bit of paste. Pick a pastry, fold on one side, just like this. Spread your paste. You can also use your finger. Then I'm going to fold it once more. Spread some paste.